Welcome to Showcase Richmond. I'm Amie Carter. Did you know that according to the U.S. Department of Energy, that bad, drafty windows can account for up to 30% of your home's energy use? That's a lot of money you could be saving each year if you had better replacement windows and doors. And now is the perfect time to do that. And to tell us why, I'm joined by Lucy O'Shields of Renewal by Andersen, because you all have a great deal that folks can get their project done right now. So great to have you on Showcase today.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Nice to be here.
And your windows are made with a different material. Tell us a little bit more about that and what it is.
Yeah, our windows are actually made of our exclusive WRIC composite material. It's fantastic. It's actually 2 times stronger than vinyl, so it's not going to warp and crack and bend like a vinyl window can, but it has this elegant look of a wood window, so you're not going to have to paint it or scrape it like a wood window.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't realize that there's an alternative to that vinyl window out there.
Definitely,
Yeah.
that is amazing. And Renewal by Andersen is a full-service replacement window company. So what does that really mean for folks?
Well, it means we take the middleman out of the process. So we have one company accountability. And really that means we're with you from the sales to manufacturing and installation and warranty. Our customers love that we manage the entire project for them. Yeah, it's the whole thing.
The whole thing. And you all have a truly remarkable special on all of your windows and doors this month. So tell us the details on that.
Yes, it's fantastic. Now until October 31st, you can get 20% off all your windows, 20% off your patio doors and your entry doors. Plus, with our special financing, you can pay nothing until October 2025. That's no money down, no payments, and no interest until 2025 in October. Plus, we're giving away an extra $350 for your entire project.
Yeah, so that's definitely a lot of reasons to go ahead and get that project done right now. And we should mention that you all also install beautiful patio doors. So what are some of the styles and the features that are available?
That's a great question. We actually offer many different styles, including very popular French doors and gliding doors. And just like our windows, we offer customers the choice to choose from different hardware styles, grill patterns, and even colors. Our gliding doors actually have dual ball bearing rollers, so it makes it easier for them to open and close it throughout the different seasons. Yeah. And then all of our patio doors come with our continuous weather stripping, which really provides that superior energy efficiency and leaves your home comfortable year round.
Yeah, and I love it.
Yeah.
It's not just about the beauty and the aesthetics, but also something that's practical and can really save on energy.
Exactly.
I love that.
Exactly.
Talk about what installation day is like for a homeowner.
I think it's really impressive. I mean, there is no time wasted. So the certified master installers come to your home, they walk you through exactly what they're going to do for that day. They're going to prep each room that they're going to be in, remove those old windows and doors, and install the new ones. After they're done, they're going to walk through exactly how to function your windows and doors with you. And then really the goal of all of it is to exceed our customers and homeowners' expectations.
Yeah, and I love that you guys really work with customers to make their projects affordable.
Oh, absolutely. It's so important. We install windows and doors in so many different homes as well as different budgets. And as you can imagine, as you're replacing windows and doors, we want you to be able to find a budget that works for you. And sometimes that's low monthly payments, less than your cell phone bill. And it's so interesting because so many homeowners go into the project thinking, I'm going to pay cash or check, but after finding out all of the different financing options we provide, they end up financing for that low monthly payment.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Lucy
Thank
O'Shields
you.
from Renewal by Andersen, for chatting with us on Showcase Richmond. Again, now is the time to take advantage. If you are interested in replacing some windows and doors in your home, they have a wonderful incentive, a wonderful offer. We've got the information right there on your screen. Again, now through October 31st, save 20% on every window, patio door, and entry door with no money down, no interest, and you can take an additional $350 off. Call 804-496-2600 now to schedule yours.